Welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. I did a thing. I joined another collaboration. This one is a Hot Girl Summer collaboration. It runs for 6 weeks, and it is hosted by Budget with Taylor. So let's break this out. So what we ended up doing was making sure that each of us made a savings challenge. So what you will be able to do is grab all 10 savings challenge freebies. Some people made 2 savings challenges, so you can grab as many as your heart desires. You're going to head over to Budget with Taylor's Ko-Fi page, and that's where you'll be able to find the freebies. So let's go over what we're working on trying to do with Hot Girl Summer. So save it, sweat it, and heal it. So it's all about taking care of yourself, saving money, getting your heart rate up, maybe exercising, and healing yourself mentally. So taking care of yourself mentally. Now, I'm not certain where I'm going to step in terms of goals. There are goal sheets where goals are already set. You can grab those, or you can make your own goals. And you'll see that once you print everything up. My main part of this collaboration, at least what my main focus, is to make sure that I'm saving it. I originally had made plans for a savings setup that I had for me, for my birthday. But I ended up deciding ultimately it will be for my kiddo. So, you know, that's the way it goes. Sometimes I'll make plans for one thing and it'll end up having to go to something else. I'm not going to worry about it, but I will keep trying to meet my goal of giving myself a little something for my birthday. Let me go over the Hottie lineup. So first up, we have Pink Chic Budgets, Cynthia Budgets, Income Babes Budgets, Sassy Beauty Budgets, I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, Hustle and Flows Co., Budget with Taylor, Simply Tea Plans, Make Money Save Money, and Hot Beauty Budgets. So all of us made savings challenges, and you'll see them. There are songs that inspired the savings challenges. So once you get the savings challenges, you kind of see what's going on with them. Now let me just let everybody know ahead of time. I adjusted my savings challenges to work for my savings. I don't have a lot of money freed up. For those of you who know my circumstances, a single mom and very low income, so my finances are really tight. But I still want to make sure that I'm participating and that I'm still holding myself accountable with saving. So what I've done is I've made my savings challenges $1. However, I could figure out how to adjust my savings challenges. I made each symbol $1. So there's that. Let's jump into counting up this cash, and then we'll walk through what my plan is, a loose plan of kind of what I'm thinking I may do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25 is what I have today. My goal is to have about $20 a week. If I can do more, then I am going to look forward to that. It is a 6-week challenge, so we're going to go for it. All right. I put all 10 savings challenges in my binder. So I was trying to decide, do I want to roll the dice or do I want to flip my player's cards? And I think I might go with my player's cards. Yeah, I think that's what I might do. These player's cards are actually in S&C Budget Creations Etsy shop, and you can find them there. And I think what we'll do is just flip one card, because 25 bucks is not a lot of money for 10 savings challenges. There are some skip or double. Also, I did add a couple of misfortunes, I believe, where you add $2 and then you have to flip another card. So I'm living on the edge. First of all, 10 savings challenges. Who would have thought it? Not me, because I don't know who I think I am right now. And then the player's cards. I don't know, maybe I'm in beast mode. We'll see though, because my goal is to complete as many as I can, and whatever I complete I can live with. I am not going to overwhelm myself. There's that. All right, let's do this, because I don't want to keep pulling this out over and over. Okay, so All right, first savings challenge, $1. $1, $2. All right, so here's that skip or double. We're gonna flip another one, and it's $1, so we're gonna double it for 2. All right, and we got a misfortune. So we have to add $2 and then flip again. So let's see. So that's a total of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got $1 here, $2 here, $2 here, all right, skip or double, $2, because we're going to double that one. All right, we got $2 here. And let's see here. I really don't want an IOU, so what I'm going to do is we'll shuffle the cards, and then we will we'll just add, yeah, until we run out of money, because I don't want I don't want an IOU. Also, this is the savings challenge that is saving the most amount of money. It's $25. So if I have any loose money left over without giving myself an IOU, I will add it there. That's my plan. All right, misfortune, $2. Flip again, $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this means we're down to $2. Do I want to flip again or no? Because I don't want to owe myself, and I don't want a misfortune, and I don't want to get myself in trouble. Okay, so let's put these away, like right away, because yeah, we don't want the trouble. And we're just going to add this last $2 to avoid that IOU right there to my largest savings challenge. All right, so what we'll do is we will go over who made these savings challenges. All right, this first savings challenge is from Make Money, Save Money. We are adding $1. I want to use this Sharpie, but it gets all over the place. So we'll just mark it off like that. $1 today. All right, and this one is from Budget with Taylor. This is the host that I was speaking of. And once again, all the ladies will be linked down below. We're adding $1. All right, and the next savings challenge is from Sassy Beauty Budgets. We're adding 2. All right, this savings challenge is from yours truly. We're adding $2. 1 and 2. And do keep in mind, you don't have to do all 10 savings challenges. You can pull the freebies and do whichever ones you want. Whatever you want. You don't even have to participate the same way we are. But just know that that freebie's there, and support all the ladies. I think it's a good idea to team up and let the rest of the internet know that we are here. All right, so each one of my icons are $1, and we have 3. 1, 2, 3. And like I said, this is 6 weeks, so I have plenty of time to try and complete as many as I can. Ideally, obviously, I would like to finish them all, but there's no telling. All right, we are adding $1 to this savings challenge from Income Babes. And by making these adjustments, it made a huge difference on the amounts that I was saving. Some of them, it split them in half. So I had to do what works for me once again. And if you can't do dollars, do quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, whatever. Save something. It's a good way to just have fun saving. Okay, we're adding $2 to this savings challenge today from Pink chic budget. Say that 10 times fast. Oh, I love that. Okay. We're adding $2 to this savings challenge from Simply Tea Plans. All right, so 1 and 2. I may go over these off camera with the marker where I have time to let each of my savings challenges dry, but you'll see on some of my envelopes from previous savings challenges, the ink gets all over them. All right, this savings challenge is from Hot Beauty Budgets. And today we're adding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. It's so wild how much progress I made in one day with $25. I think the idea of doing using the players cards gave me an opportunity to give each challenge something. So that was good. All right. Last savings challenge is from I Am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. We are adding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 today. And I just put little stickers to notate that these are all $1. Did I say 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. You see that progress? Do you see the progress? Oh, let's put the money behind it. I like to see the savings challenges. Perfect. So we've gone ahead and stuffed 10 savings challenges. Go me. I'll have to, this is the first week we're stuffing, so I will have to go into YouTube and watch my girls' videos and see what are they doing. Are they completing 6 savings challenges, 4 savings challenges, 10 savings challenges? I decided I'm going to go ahead with my binder and add all 10 and work on all 10 and go from there. I did, like I said, make adjustments so it works for my budget. It is very low budget. It is very friendly for the low income hotties like myself. What you want to do is grab those freebies. Make sure you stop by the other channels and just check in, see what's going on. If you like their channel, subscribe. Make sure you comment. And if you want to participate or get any of the savings challenges, head over to Budget with Taylor. I will link her Ko-Fi shop down below where you can get the freebie. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.